you did it. You actually did it. And then I made sure, however, that with all of this elation, I got a spot with my back to a solid surface. And I am one day away from leaving Mahogany Springs Lodge. I have had 3 very different, amazing gorilla trekking experiences. Just the people I met, and I met a lot of people, all right? Lovely people.
This is Imelda, Charles, and David, my lifesavers.
The kindness, you know, the poverty, the ability to be happy, and if not happy, content enough, hopes for a good future, hopes for a good job, and just how similar we really are, and lovely people. I miss the attitude, and I miss the music, and I miss, they've become friends. I may never see them again, but yeah, it's a profoundly positive experience.
And this is our send-off point. I'm in Kihihi right now, and I'm going to prop plane an hour flight from Kihihi to Entebbe. And this is the mastermind, Moses, who has cleared all paths and made everything doable. Thank you, Moses. And now I'm heading back, having overcome so many challenges face on, and doing it with your support, your emails from home, and your emails from people I don't even know who've seen the videos.
How many times do we walk by and we don't realize that what we were afraid of is doable?
Elaine arrives back home, exhausted but fulfilled. She has done the thing that she has been wanting to do for years. She has experienced the profound awe of seeing gorillas surviving in their natural habitat. She now knows firsthand the beauty and the fragility of their lives and of the lives of the people who work to protect them. She carries with her the rewards of doing something new, taking the leap into the unknown. She has gained the confidence that she can make things happen, even difficult things, and that she can find solutions to obstacles that get in her way. She has a deep felt connection with the wonderful people of Bwindi, and she has created a fund to support the survival and well-being of some of their most vulnerable children at the Bwindi Community Hospital.